Hi, my name is Jared Appel and welcome to the Aero Workshop. Today, I'm going to show you the features and applications of Aero's new RT188M one-handed riveter. The RT188M is designed for one-handed operation and can handle any rivet-related project. This tool features a tough steel construction with soft, easy squeeze handles, 4 different size nose grips, and a convenient handle lock for easy storage. Unlike previous models, the nose grips can be screwed in by hand and do not require a wrench. The RT188M works with aluminum, steel, and stainless steel rivets of all sizes. The nose pieces are color-coded to match with the corresponding rivet size. The RT188M is ideal for sheet metal work, gutters, storm doors, and automotive work. Thanks for stopping by the Aero Workshop. For more information on tools and projects, please visit aerofastener.com.